2 years ago, I wrote on my bucket list that I wanted to visit at least one foreign country before 2025. And today, I'm signing my visa documents for my second foreign trip covering 2 countries. My bucket list is long though. But, Ayush bhai, how can you do it at the age of 22? How much does it cost you? And what sources of income helped you to achieve that? जानता हूँ ये सब क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे मन में। इन सब चीजों के बारे में हम बात करेंगे आज इस 15th एपिसोड ऑफ आर्ट ऑफ मनी। स्टार्टिंग द एपिसोड इन 3, 2, 1, go. It was 21st of July when in Blockwee we cracked the partnership for one of the biggest tech events in the world, Token 2049 Singapore. अब इतना बड़ा इवेंट हो तो आपका जाना तो बनता है। 10 days of trip, 6 days in Singapore for work and 4 days in Thailand for a vacation. Bucket list जो पूरी करनी है। We left on 10th of September and the airline जिससे हम लोग फ्लाई करने वाले थे was world's number 1 airline which is Singapore Airline. अब जब तक मैं सिंगापुर पहुंचूं ये क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर देते हैं that how I'm able to afford this trip with my own money. So yes, सच बताऊं तो I have only one source of income. This is my own company Blockwee. Every month मैं और जो मेरे 2 co-founders हैं हम लोग एक फिक्स सैलरी लेते हैं फ्रॉम द कंपनी एंड जो भी सैलरी लेते हैं मैं वो तो तुम्हें अभी बता नहीं सकता हूँ बट वो सैलरी इतनी है that I can stay at a decent place in Mumbai. I can eat whatever I want and I can spend weekends very amazingly in Mumbai. But yeah, I'm also building some more sources of income. Before I reveal my more sources of income, let me show you that blurred bucket list जो मैंने इस ट्रिप पर पूरी करी है. पहला, to visit Universal Studios in Singapore. It's one of the best amusement parks in the world. Number 2, scuba diving करनी थी just like ZNMD. And number 3, I want to explore business side of Singapore. So हाँ यही था जो मुझे खत्म करना था इस ट्रिप पर. Okay. Now I'm coming back to the track now. But yeah, I'm also building some more sources of income, which is this Art of Money show जो हम लोग बना रहे हैं. हम लोग खुद का community बना रहे हैं. And you can definitely join the same community and link is available in the description. Through this community, definitely in the future we are planning to make a good amount of money and YouTube is something which you are already seeing right now. So yes, don't forget to subscribe as well. But now, coming back to the point, for the past 5 months, we have hit a good amount of number in Blockwee. So yes, उसका मतलब ये है that Singapore trip is something which we can afford but we can afford it easily. But now, definitely, it's not a normal trip. It will be a business trip. But not everything in the trip will be afforded by Blockwee. Because already Blockwee हमें पैसा भी तो देता है. And that's what we did. Singapore के first 5 days का खर्चा Blockwee देगा. Which is indirectly our own money itself. But yeah, it's a business expense. Rather than that, last day of outing in Singapore will be on individual level. And Thailand का ट्रिप का स्टे छोड़ के बाकी सब हमें खुद से बियर करना पड़ेगा. मतलब खुद के सैलरी में से हमें खुद से पे करना होगा. So yeah, that's how I'm able to afford this trip of 10 days. जहाँ पर हम 2 countries घूम रहे हैं with my own money. तो हाँ, थोड़ा अभी sneak peek तो तुम्हें देकर ही जाएंगे कि सिंगापुर में किया क्या. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Good morning guys. Yeah, we have Goitek and we have Philip guys, and they are tasting Indian food today. Hi to the vlog, Elisa. Say hi to the influencers. Bye. यही तो दुखे भाई.
भाई हम लेजिट मरवा मतलब लेजिट हरकतें कर रहे हो. 3 किलोमीटर पैदल चले, खाया सुबह से शाम के 5:30 बज गए सुबह से. क्या खाया हमने? सिर्फ 4 कोल्ड ड्रिंक
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Singapore trip ended with a lot of learnings and countless memories with my gang. But again, I know you have this question in mind that how much it costed me. Let's discuss that. Around, if I say on my personal level, then it costed me around 40,000 rupees. How? Number one, 15,000 around for Universal Studios in Singapore. 10,000 for scuba diving in Thailand, which was one of my bucket list items for the past so many years. And 5,000 for the city tour in Phuket, Thailand. 10,000 for the food, and you can consider other 5,000 to 8,000 in getting gifts for my loved ones. Yeah, I know that it's a big amount, but I personally think that spending money on taking breaks worth a lot. And it's a kind of a gift that you give yourself to prove that yes, you made it. But okay. सेंटी नहीं होंगे. तो अगर आप इस वीडियो में यहाँ तक आ ही गए हो और वीडियो देख ही लिया है, तो थाईलैंड का ट्रिप कैसा गया थोड़ा वो भी देख ही लो. जुगनी उड़ी नए नए पर लिए ओ पिंजरा खो ओ पिंजरा खो जुगनी उड़ी दिल में घर किए ओ पिंजरा खो ओ पिंजरा खो. I personally think that if you are working on something and if you are choosing your plans, your dreams instead of people's opinions on that, then in the journey very soon, my brother, you will figure out the way to make money out of that. And trips like this make you feel that everything was worth it. Yeah, everything was worth it.